Hey guys, today I've got a quick hack for you on the cases. Pretty much applies to all cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. A big issue that we've been having with these is you get the cases put on, and as you flip, they slide off, they're falling off, all those things. Very easy tip for you to make sure that that doesn't happen. You won't have them flip off, slide off, or come off at all. Of course, then they'll be removable when you need to do things like swap out your SIM card, or if you just want to take it out and swap to a different case. Super easy hack. So let's bring you in a little bit closer, and I'm going to show you how I get this fastened on here and how it looks when it's done. All right guys, I won't make this take too long. However, I'm going to dual purpose this video for the review on this case. I always try to review the stuff that I get from Amazon, especially if you're kind of not sure and if there's not a whole lot of reviews on it. This you can see the brand name here. It's just a generic brand. However, they have several color options, and I think the case was like 15 bucks overall. It's the type of case that I really like. It's got a soft, smooth texture, hard plastic case. Keeps the minimalist design. I don't get paid or anything for advertising these. However, I go to the reviews always when I am buying, and I think people giving real good reviews on stuff helps us as buyers and consumers to make a better decision, and it keeps down the waste of shipping stuff and shipping it back and all carbon footprint and all that jazz. So all right, back to this here on getting your case. So whether it's this case, some other case, whatever case you have, you can go to pretty much any store that has office supplies and get this double-sided Scotch tape, double-sided sticky tape from Scotch. It's pretty cheap. All we're gonna do on this, on the inside, you can see where it's flat and smooth. Now it has a little strip of its own adhesive that doesn't really do anything at all. So you're gonna take your own strip of adhesive, and depending, I mean, if you're like, I'm never taking this case off, you could go with 2. However, I take my cases off quite a bit, and this tape will reuse a few times. I'll tell you what, on the back, like I probably won't take the back off, so I'm gonna give it 2. But the front you have to take off, which is, in my opinion, ridiculous to get the SIM card out. So super annoying on the fold. But this hack also works on the fold. On the Galaxy Fold, you can put some tape on the inside here, and you, with a razor blade, you can trim this down and put a long strip right there, and it keeps the floppiness from happening. It's an excellent little trick there. But on this guy, we're gonna go ahead and slap this on. And I always start from the bottom and kind of push up as I'm doing it. That way it's not hanging down. Okay, on the back side. If you've got a case that's a little bit more spaced out and when you push it dips real bad, just put 2 layers of tape on it, and the thickness will match case and foam. There we go. Now that's going to be rock solid. It's not going to slide off. You won't ever have it come up and pop off on you. So if you want to get a good look at that case there, from the sides, it's got the cutouts. Definitely a minimalist case. Not recommended if you drop your phones a lot. However, I don't. So that's it, guys. That's the hack. Case looks excellent on there. It's not going to slide off. You're not going to be able to pull it off. Nice and tight. And all right, guys, we're done. There's no visible difference in the phone and case whatsoever. However, now we don't have to worry about that case flipping or falling off on us. And like I said, you can do this with many of the different other case brands. You just have to give it a shot and see if it'll work for you. It's on nice and tight. And for me, this is, like I said, the perfect style case that I like to roll with here. It's nice, minimalist design. A little bit exposed, but however, I don't drop my phones anymore, so, well, knock on wood anyway. If you found this information useful, valuable, please like, subscribe, and share. That way we can get it out to other people who maybe need it and would like to solve this issue on their phone as well. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.